This is Right Turn Clyde by j.gabriel. I don't know exactly how long it's going to take me to get into this. This lock has some pretty ingenious stuff in it that I'm not going to explain or show you, but it is very interesting. So I'm going to use 50 thousandths Peterson pry bar, multi-pick deep hook. One, two, one, two, three. I probably messed it up already, and I'm using the wrong pick anyway. Multi-pick 15 thousandths. Yep, deep hook. One again, two, one, three again, five, maybe six. So there's one, two, three, four, five. Oh, and I just let it slip out, which is not good to do. One, two, three, four, five. Not that. One, two, three. There's four. There's five. One, two, three, four, five. There we go, one, and it's open. So just give it a little wiggle, show you it's open. We'll pull it out of the vise and I'll show you. j.gabriel, Right Turn Clyde. So yep, it's Right Turn Clyde by j.gabriel.